Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach, and like here, beyond. Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
Today, I'm here in Lynn Haven. It is a suburb, if you want to call it, in Panama City proper, just adjoining the city limits, but very well sought after for our military families. Our regular families, great. This is a great neighborhood called Mowat Highlands right here. Highly sought after Lynn Haven. You're close to Publix, Walmart, Winn-Dixie, everything that you need. We're right down from 23rd Street. It's all here. And what I love about this is how large this yard is. You've got this privacy in this great quiet neighborhood with great schools, and you got enough room to add a pool if you wanted to. Now, let's go check the inside. So the theme for this house is space. You have your own spaces here in this massive kitchen. It is connected to a seating area, and as you can see behind me, you've got the dining area very close for you to have guests and friends over or game night or whatever. But you've got a seating area here. You've got another seating area over on the other side of the kitchen leading into the main ensuite. And this home boasts 3 bedrooms plus some of these extra spaces, and it has a Florida sunroom on the back leading out to the massive yard. So let's keep checking it out. I love this sunroom back here. You've got so much space. You can put the kids' room back here, or big kids or little kids, just whatever fits your needs. With all of the sun coming in through these great windows, and you do have a mini split in here, so it will be cooler temperatures. Welcome to this large and spacious main ensuite. I love how much space there is and these floor to ceiling windows, just letting that Florida sunshine in. Let's go check out the massive ensuite that's attached. What's really great in here is you do have your deep soaker tub as well as a standing shower, your dual sinks, and I mean, there's just so much space. It's perfect. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you to look at all the fine details of rooms, square footage, pricing, and all of that. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any future deals like this one.